Good morning. I'm at the Long Lake Trailhead inside Rocky Mountain National Park. And today I'm going to do a hike that I haven't done in a couple of years. I'm going to hike to Ypsilon Lake. And Ypsilon Lake sits 4.5 miles back from this trailhead, and there is a 2,200 to 2,400 foot elevation gate. We will get to see Chipmunk Pond along the way, but most of the hike is through the trees, so I promise not to bore you with a lot of that footage. It's going to be a beautiful day and hike. I am back to the Long Lake Trailhead. I hope you enjoyed the adventure out here today in Rocky Mountain National Park to Ypsilon Lake. We got to see Chipmunk Lake and that beautiful icy waterfall. And that was my favorite feature of the entire hike. And this was a hard one. My total mileage today was 9 miles and 2,400 feet of elevation gain. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you on the next hike.